You feel to be back to Panathinaikos?
Yeah, I feel very happy because now I feel home. I was here for this last 6 months, so it's like I just come back to my team, to the family. So I feel very happy and ready to help the team.
When did you find out that the team wanted you back, and how did you feel?
Yeah, I feel very good. That's mean like you have someone who believe in you, and then that this is always motivation. And then they call me, and yeah, the discussion start because yeah, they know I'm already part of the family, and then we was discussion, and then now finally we find agreement, and then I'm here and I'm happy.
The fact that you used to be in the team from January to the end of May, did that work in the favor of the transfer to complete the move and to come back here?
Yes, of course. Like I said, because we believe each other. I believe to the club. They believe in me, and then this last 6 months was very good with the experience, and then I think it's helped to come back.
What are your what do you believe are the goals for the season?
Yeah, I think right now we will start to go game by game. I'm not someone who like to say I will score or we will going to take the league, but I think it's better to think about game by game because every game is different. To fight about every game, and then we will see the result.
Your personal goals?
Yeah, is it to do everything to help the team? Like they believe in me, I will try all my best to to do what they are waiting from me.
Yusuf, during your time in Denmark, you had the pre-season. So, should we expect to see you soon in action?
Yeah, of course, I'm ready to play. I'm ready to play. So we will see about what the team needs, and then we will go for it. But I'm ready to play.
If you are requested to play against Kalamata, you feel you're ready?
Yeah, I feel ready to play. I feel ready because I do all the preseason, so I feel ready and I feel sharp.
That's it.